Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm working on this pink journal that we made together as a hardcover journal project. And since I've seen you last, I've put a coat of varnish on it. And I also put on this ribbon and piece of lace, which I think looks really nice. And so I got the idea, and I've just been working slowly at this like over the course of days. But I was just thinking it might be nice to attach another piece of lace on the side like that, a little bit bigger of a piece, and it looks like it matches or fits just perfectly to me. And then put maybe another piece of that pink ribbon on top. Boy, we are talking super girly here. There is nothing masculine about this book whatsoever. It is just plain girly. So the question is, where should I put the ribbon? More in the middle like? Ooh, I like it like that. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is use my glue gun for this. It just seems like the easy way to go. So I got it heating up. Just going to smear a little across the spine here. And start with just giving me some room to overlap it. And then just gluing it on like so. If it's not straight, then try again. Let's see. I'm going to peel that off because it's kind of bulky and it didn't stick. Let's try this again. Just this patch of it over here. Seems to be working pretty good on the rest of it. Just kind of tap it down. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's good. That's really nice. That's really pretty. I like that. I want to glue it down also over here so that it will stay put and not flop about. So let's do that next, shall we? Here we go. I hope that you guys can see this pretty well. I think maybe I could lower this a little bit. Let's see. Well, I don't really want to mess with it. I'm sorry, because I'm afraid I'll ruin it. And I just want to do this I'll just do this. It won't take long. Okay, so some more glue right here across the top of this ribbon. I'll do it in halves this time because I think the glue starts to dry before I get to tapping on it, adhering the lace, the dainty lace to the cover of the book. Alrighty, there we go. We got half of that down. And here's the other half of that. I don't know if this is exactly the way to do it, but this is just seems to be the way. It seems to be the way to do it with this. I don't know, just whatever. I'm not sure if that's the professional way of adhering lace, tapping on a glue gunned piece of lace, but that's the way it's working out. So that's what I'm doing. If anybody else has a better way, then let me know. The only downside to it is getting glue on my fingers. Other than that, the process seems to be pretty straightforward. It seems to be working. Glue gun for lace adherence onto a hardcover journal cover. Well, now we know. I'm sure Fabri-Tac would work just as well. I may have used that on the other part of it. You know, the first strip of lace and ribbon. I may have used Fabri-Tac. I honestly don't remember, to tell you the truth. So, oh, okay. Okay, so now to put the piece of ribbon across the top. That looks really nice. I'm going to like that. So just right down the middle, I think. Right in the middle of our flowers. middle of the flowers, or maybe over more. Well, I think I like the spacing better here. You can see the ribbon coming through on this, and then, yes, I think we'll go with that. So, go get my trusty glue gun, and right in about the middle. Do it halfway. And hopefully this won't like seep through. I don't think it will. Glue gun's pretty cool in that way. You can do cloth. Yeah, that's working out really well. I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. There. Very nice. I like that. I hope you guys like that too. Yeah. I'll do this. Well, maybe I'd better do it onto this. There. So then later, when we put the scrapbooking paper or pieces of cloth, whichever we decide to go with, I usually do scrapbooking paper for the inside. It'll cover up this extra lace. Oops. This extra lace up here, and this will somehow attach to, how are we going to do this? I'll figure out how to do this bottom part with this piece of fabric, because this is, we're going to glue down too. Yeah, we're going to glue all this down, and then have a piece of, I'll have to use some pretty decent thickness of paper, and this is not going to be doubled like this. I'm going to open this up and cut it off at the top when we sew our signatures in. This is just, I just want to wait until the end. So I'm not going to really do any more right now. I just wanted to add this little bit of ribbon and lace, and I think that it turned out pretty nice, again, like I said. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like to see stuff like this more often, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you tap the notification buttons, then you can see when I make more things. I've also been working on some ephemera for the journal. So far, printing it off from a kit from the Digital Collage Club. They're called Paris Pinks, and cutting out all the ephemera that goes with it and the pages that I could utilize in this pink journal. I mean, why not just go all the way over the top with pink, right? And so I've been cutting those down, and I started inking around some of the edges. So we're getting somewhere with this little by little. So yeah, I'll tape another episode when I make another episode, and I'll show it to you as soon as I can. All right, have a good day. Bye.